own personal website creates a direct-to-fan distribution channel for selling merchandise, which cuts out the middle person and any commission. This means that you're going to have a higher GPM, gross profit margin, which will ultimately end up in your pocket. Building your own personal website completely gives you the control to brand your band exactly as you see fit. From the colors, to the fonts, to the layout, to the narrative, and everything that is said about you. This is something that social media cannot do because, as you guys know, social media is essentially a one-size-fits-all brand identity. Building your own personal website allows you to put all of your marketing communications in one place. From an EPK that music journalists can download, to tour dates that music promoters can look at, to your music, videos, pictures, bios, and essentially anything else all in one place. The other day I was helping an artist book a band and the promoter asked the artist for his website. In this day and age, what are you gonna say? You don't have one? There's Squarespace, there's Wix. You can get a website made for cheap. When you own your own personal website, you essentially own your own personal real estate on the web that is not going anywhere. Your fans are always gonna be able to find you, and you're always gonna be able to find your fans because you own the emails. Two of the best books on the music industry are available on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications to the channel as well so you can get alerted of new videos. Peace.